in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the desktop wallpaper background on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is navigate to wherever your wallpaper image may be saved on your device. Could be anywhere as long as it's a file format that's supported, like a JPEG or PNG file. Right-click on the image you want to set as your desktop wallpaper, and then select Set as Desktop Background, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.